Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating topic in the world of computing: computer emulators. If you have ever wondered how old video games can run on modern devices, or how software designed for one operating system can work on another, then understanding emulators is essential. In this video, I will break down what a computer emulator is, how it works, its applications, benefits, and limitations, so you will have a complete understanding by the end of this guide. A computer emulator is a type of software or hardware that enables one computer system, called the host, to imitate the functions of another computer system, called the guest. This imitation is so precise that the guest system behaves as if it were running on its native hardware. For instance, you can run old gaming consoles, legacy operating systems, or even specialized software on modern computers without the original hardware. Emulators play a vital role in preserving old technology, enabling cross-platform software development, and testing applications in a controlled environment. The way an emulator works is by replicating the hardware and software environment of the guest system. This can include replicating the CPU architecture, memory management, input and output processes, and even graphical and audio systems. Some emulators work at a high level, translating only the necessary software commands, while others work at a low level, simulating every hardware component. The performance and accuracy of an emulator depend heavily on how detailed this replication is. High-accuracy emulators may require powerful hardware, while simpler ones can run on minimal resources. Emulators are widely used in gaming. Many gamers use emulators to play classic console games on PCs or mobile devices. For example, you can run a Nintendo, PlayStation, or Sega game on your computer using an emulator designed for that console. This allows access to games that may no longer be commercially available or whose original hardware is difficult to obtain. Besides gaming, emulators are also critical in software development. Developers can test apps for different operating systems without needing physical devices for each system, which saves time and reduces costs. Emulators also play a major role in learning and experimentation. Students and tech enthusiasts use them to study operating systems, software behavior, or computer architecture without risking actual hardware. They can explore advanced computing concepts, experiment with different system configurations, or learn programming for platforms they do not physically own. This educational aspect makes emulators not only fun, but also incredibly practical for learning and research purposes. Before we move further, I have a quick request. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Share this video with your friends. Comment down below with your thoughts. Do not forget to turn on the notifications so you will not miss my next video. Another benefit of emulators is software preservation. Many old programs or games may no longer be compatible with modern computers, making them difficult to access. Emulators bridge this gap by allowing old software to run as if it were on the original machine. This preserves important digital content and ensures that technology from the past remains usable and relevant today. Whether it is historical software, retro games, or legacy applications, emulators are the tools that keep digital history alive. Emulators do have some limitations. High-fidelity emulation can be resource-intensive, requiring faster processors and more memory. Some software may not run perfectly due to differences in hardware timing or unsupported features. There can also be legal concerns, especially when using copyrighted software or games in an emulator. It is always important to understand the legal implications and to use emulators responsibly. Despite these limitations, emulators are invaluable tools in computing, offering both practical and entertainment benefits. In conclusion, a computer emulator is a software or hardware solution that allows one system to imitate another, offering a bridge between old and new technology. From gaming to software development, education to digital preservation, emulators are versatile tools that serve many purposes. Whether you are a gamer, developer, or student, understanding how emulators work can open up new opportunities and experiences. Now, I have a few reminders for you. Please subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you found it helpful. Share this video with your friends. Comment down below with your questions or thoughts. Do not forget to turn on the notifications so you will not miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate your support.